Buying a new computer. What are you looking for?
Mom, I'm gonna take the university entrance exam next year. So I think I should buy a new computer for my studies.
How is the computer you're using now?
It's too old, Mom. It often has problems. When I go to college, I'll need to use a computer regularly. Like for doing and submitting assignments to my teachers. Sometimes I'll even need to bring it to school.
If that's the case, then you probably need a laptop.
Yes, I'm checking with my friends to see if anyone's selling a computer. I need to buy one soon to prepare for moving to the city for college.
No need. I'll take you to the store to get a new one. Using new devices will be much more convenient. Will you come with me tomorrow?
Yes, of course. Thank you, Mom.
Holiday pictures. Lucy, look at this picture. This was from our vacation last summer. Oh, yes. That was when we went back to our hometown to visit our grandparents, to have fun and make our own toys. That was such a great time. At least we didn't have as much homework as we do now. Do you remember this picture? That was when Dad made a beautiful little boat out of paper and wooden sticks. We fought over it and accidentally broke it. Then I cried a lot and you had to buy me ice cream. Shall we hang these holiday pictures on a string and decorate our desks? Sounds great. I'll help you. What are your weekend plans?
Honey, can you pass me the salt?
Here you go.
Thanks. So, what are your weekend plans?
I haven't really thought about it. Why do you ask?
One of my coworkers is heading out of town this weekend.
Okay, and are you thinking about tagging along?
No, I'm working this weekend.
Then why are we talking about this? Does it somehow involve me?
Well, he asked if I could watch his dog while he's gone.
Don't you dare sign me up for that.
Come on, his dog's adorable and very well behaved. You definitely love her.
I don't care. I'm not spending my whole weekend playing dog sitter.
Did I mention he's offering $200 a day?
So, what time is she coming? And do I have to pick her up or is he dropping her off? Picnic date at the park.
Man, what a perfect day. I'm really glad we decided to get out.
Why the long face, sweetie? You look miserable.
I hate being outside. I'd rather be at home. I've got a million things to do.
Oh, come on. It's summer. Don't let all that stress get to you.
I think by a million things, he means video games.
Babe, you've been glued to that screen way too much lately.
Yeah, this is your chance to actually touch some grass.
Plus, look at all this good food we packed. Isn't it awesome?
I'd be way happier in an air-conditioned room right now. Buddy, sometimes you've got to learn to connect with nature. Oh my gosh, what was that? It's literally a bee, Dad. We're in a park. Where's the bug spray?
I didn't bring any.
It's just a harmless bee, Dad. I thought we were supposed to connect with nature. Yeah, well, not this kind of nature. Bees are a flying danger. Pack it up. We're going home.
Dinner talk.
What's with the giggle, bud? Something funny happened at school? Yeah, actually, there was something really funny at school today.
Oh, what happened?
So there was a kid that kept playing fart sounds every time his teacher turned around. I used to pull stuff like that back in the day.
Dave.
Yeah, and then I realized it was really immature and stopped doing it. Definitely not funny. That's not even the funny part. Oh? Then what is? So she took his phone and gave it back at the end of class. Okay? But the thing is, his phone looked just like hers, and she gave him her phone by mistake. Uh-oh, and then? He unlocked it and saw a text pop up. It was from her boyfriend.
So, that's not a big deal. Teachers are allowed to have boyfriends.
Yeah, Mom, sure, but the problem is, she's married.
What? No way! Are you serious? What happened next? Don't leave me hanging. Reminding about homework.
Hey, kiddo, how's your project coming along?
My what?
Your art project. You said it was about Van Gogh or something.
Oh no! I totally forgot about that!
When's it due?
Monday.
You've still got 2 days. You'll be alright.
But aren't we supposed to go on that trip this weekend?
Well, sounds like someone might be staying home to finish their project, while your mum and I go on a little date.
No! That's not fair!
This might be the first time I'm happy you forgot something.
A favorite animal. Last summer, I had the opportunity to visit the zoo with my family to see different animals. Great! That place must be interesting, right? Yes. The scenery was so beautiful that my family took many pictures there. My sister and I took pictures with tigers, lions, leopards, and hippos. Nice. I want to go there too. What's your favorite animal there? Hippo, I think. They are much larger than I expected. They're also incredibly cute. When I see them swaying their bodies after coming out of the water, sounds great. What about you? What animal do you like the most? If I go to the zoo, I'll definitely check out the rabbits. They're so cute and gentle. If you want, we can go together next week. Really? Good idea. Making an excuse. Lily, you ate the cake I left in the fridge, didn't you? I didn't see any cake. I just got back from hanging out with my friends. I just baked a cake for dinner and now it's gone. You were the only one home. Are you sure you didn't eat it? Of course not. I came home, sat down, and watched TV. You have to believe me. But what if you got hungry while you were out with your friends? I swear I didn't eat it. When I got home, I saw the neighbor's cat walking around in the house. Maybe you left the cake on the table? Oh, that actually makes sense. I must have forgotten. I'm so sorry, Lily.